Hello guys, good morning. It's me Ryan, known as Ryan PDT in the chat room, and I'm here to share you my BAC trade. So yeah, it was a really good day for me. I shorted BAC right at the open. So I have Oxy, CCL, and BAC, and those are my three top trades. I mean, three picks. Today was kind of hard to pick a mover because there's a lot of them, right? That's crazy. So what I did is look at the float. So my category is 200 million float, above 200 million, above 180 R, and above 200 volume, 200,000 volume. So what I did, since there's a lot, instead of looking at float, I was looking at price, which is above 20 and really big volume. So Oxy was my number one pick, and BAX I didn't kind of like it. Look at that, it's kind of low float. So Oxy was my number one. Next was no. Tesla, no, it's expensive. And what next was CCL because it has 300,000 compared to the other ones, right? STM, I didn't like the pre-market action. So I went all the way down. BP, I didn't like the price action. AL was okay, but I ended up choosing BAC because it has 800,000 volume. So BAC, Oxy, and CCL. So those are the ones that I like. Those are the ones that I was watching, right? So let's see. So market opens. There you go. So right at the open, as you can see, I have this volume bar. It says 4 million. So right at the open, you'll see 4 million. You can see here, I have a chart that only shows volume. Same for the other ones here. So what's this? CCL only has 6,000 volume, and Oxy has 20,000 volume. So right at the open, I know which one I will focus on, which is BAC. There you go. 180R is moving about 6 cents. So this tells me how much the candle moved. 180R. There you go. Moved about 7 cents. Okay, there. So before it moves to the next candle, we're at 9:30:59. I'm checking how much the candle moved. 7 cents, right? So I can probably risk 10 cents, but I didn't want to risk 10 cents because it's too tight. So what I did was I risked 20 cents instead. So let's go back to the other stocks. This only moved about 10,000 shares. Okay. The volume, this only moved about 1.6 million volume, not shares, volume. Okay. So it's either I'm going to trade Oxy or BAC. But the thing is, I kind of prefer BAC because it has more volume. As you can see, it has 4.6. Very tight risk. It's very close to VWAP. VWAP is this one. So I traded BAC. Right? There you go. Shorted BAC. So stock was an SSR, so I had to short it at ask. So there you go. About 10-cent move. Took some off. But the thing is, I just realized I pressed the wrong hotkey. So I had a very small share size. So I said, I don't know why I only have few realized gains. I just realized I pressed the wrong hotkey. So I want to get out of break even, but instead I added because it was at VWAP. I said maybe I'll add another 20 cents risk, right? So I added. Let's go back here. It'll be easier for us to watch. So I added, shorted at ask. There you go. Now I'm at 6 cents. I was risking 20 cents. I need 20 cents move, right? Let's fast forward this a bit because we have really tight time when doing recaps. There you go. Took some off there. Another took some off there. So I'm 1-1 now. There you go. Let's fast forward this a bit. So this is a round number, so I was considering either take some more off or just take 10% partials. So these are 10% partials. And I'm gonna take 50% right here. I'm gonna take 50%. So this just 10%, the next one was 50%. Because I'm still watching it. Right? So it was just really weak. I can see the prints. It's just a lot more red and green trying to push it, but they can't. So took some off there, almost all, not almost all out. I took half there, and I can see a level 20. Where's that level? 2230. So 2230 was my goal. I see large orders 50, around 50 area. So I said, okay, I'm gonna probably take some partial here, which I did. I know myself too much now. When it comes to trading, I know where to take partial. There you go. 2230 is my level. I was patiently waiting for 2230, but I get out more there because I didn't want to get back. So I'm almost all out shares, but I can still see 2230 area. I have a line there. The thing is, I don't see any big volume or bids. There you go. Fast forward. Let's just fast forward this because we're running out of time. There you go. Yep. So I have my 2230 order. Come on. Lowest is 35. I'm very close. Nope. It didn't work. Yeah. So I have my last small shares there. So I have this level in my mind around 60 area. I'll probably get out at 60. See those? They're fighting around 60 area or 56. They're fighting. Then when I saw that, it's not breaking at all. It's there you go. So I shorted because it's just really weak. Everyone's just shorting and shorting and shorting. So if it's just I can feel that it's still weak. So I shorted there, risking 20 cents. I want to get out 65 even though I was risking 60 cents. So I took some off there. Half. I said, never mind. I'll just get out and break even. I don't want to give back most of my profit. So there you go. I get out. That's it. I'm all done. Really happy what I did today. And yeah, that's about it. Sorry guys, it took about 8 minutes, or maybe it will take probably 10 minutes for this recap. I hope you learned something. Please consider adding this one ATR. It's really good. It will tell you how much this candle moves. So on the next candle, you will know how much you will risk, right? So that's really useful for me. Yeah. So please, if you haven't, please subscribe to Bearable Traders. They're the best community in the entire trading world. So yeah, thanks to Andrew and all the moderators for giving us the opportunity to trade with them. And yeah, have a good day, everyone. Peace. Please comment if you have any questions, and I will gladly help you out. I will get back to you as soon as I can. Have a good day, everyone. See you tomorrow.